Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we will be comparing two types of motorcycle is Yamaha Filano and Honda Stylo. Both have their unique quality and I will take you through their design, usability and practicality so you can choose the best option for your needs. Yamaha Filano specification. Engine 125cc, Blue Core SOHC 4-stroke. Cooling system air cooled, maximum power around 8.2 kilowatt. 11.1 horsepower at 8,000 rpm. Maximum torque around 10.4 maximum torque around 10.4 Newton meter at 5,000 rpm. Transmission system automatic CVT, full tank capacity 4.2 liters. Honda Stylo specification. Engine 110cc ESP SOHC 4-stroke. Cooling system air cooled, maximum power around 6.4 kilowatt, 8.5 horsepower at 7,500 rpm. Maximum torque around 9 Newton meter at 6,000 rpm. Transmission system automatic CVT, full tank capacity 3.7 liter. Comparing Yamaha Filano and Honda Stylo. Yamaha Filano and Honda Stylo are both stylish, fuel-efficient scooter designed for urban commuter who prioritize comfort and convenience. Both models offer automatic transmission, which makes them easy to handle in heavy city traffic. They also come with fuel-efficient engine, helping riders save on fuel costs. Additionally, each scooter has modern features like LED lighting, a spacious stroke compartment under the seat, and digital instrument panel for more user-friendly experience. Both scooters aim to provide a smooth and enjoyable ride while maintaining practicality for everyday use. Contrasting Yamaha Filano and Honda Stylo. Contrasting Yamaha Filano and Honda Stylo. Despite their similarities, Yamaha Filano and Honda Stylo have distinct differences sets them apart. Yamaha Filano is equipped with a slightly more powerful engine compared to the Honda Stylo, which may appeal to riders looking for a bit more speed and acceleration. In terms of design, the Filano lends towards a more youthful and sporty look, while the Honda Stylo has a classic, elegant appearance that may attract those who prefer a more timeless style. Additionally, Additionally, Yamaha Filano offer advanced connectivity options such as smartphone integration, which Honda Stylo currently lack. Lastly, the pricing of the model also differs, with the Filano generally being positioned positioned at a slightly higher price point than the Stylo, reflecting its additional feature. Thank you.